Every time, drink. Useless man, drunkard. I like you one. Shameless.
Now me,
you don't know you are very shameless.
Me?
You don't know.
Me?
You don't know.
Me?
Yes.
Your father.
My father.
Yes.
My father.
Your father.
It will end today. Between me and you.
That's why you come
It
here.
will end today.
I will beat you. Oh. Hey.
You will beat me.
Hey.
Mama Zola, I will beat you. You and your wife will kill. No be that. See how you got me. You know the get shit.
Look at this.
You know the get shit.
Look at this old
You
fool.
grab me.
This drunkard.
Now only you there for this area.
Look at this youth.
Now only you dey fight. You dey fight.
Did you even have to
lock your husband up.
You
They lock your husband up.
He grab me since money. It's money.
I know that.
Yeah, only you. Go to your
Why
house.
you go do like that?
Yeah, this you. Go to your house.
I will not go to
Now me marry my wife. Nothing concern you about my
so
house.
12 and they attack my
See,
friend.
this is my house.
Men to the cheat. Men to the
Yeah,
cheat.
this is-
Men to the cheat.
This
If
is
you
my
don't
house.
marry him again, stop.
Hey.
My friend, go and carry your bag. Let's go.
Yeah, this is-
Why
You
you
don't carry
this
Nothing
is
concern you
I
about
don't
my
let me
house.
concern me, no my
Be
friend.
quiet.
Baby, go carry back.
Carry your bag, let's go.
Baby, go carry back.
We dey go.
You
We
want
dey go.
that-
My friend will not marry again.
You want
This
scatter my
man,
house?
My friend,
You
not
want
to suffer.
scatter my
Like this.
house?
Into the suffer.
Exactly.
You dey suffer am. Tell your man to
Let her go.
Come, let's go.
Another one day. Allow her to go.
Your life.
No worry. I go give you 2 or 3.
Why you dey talk like this?
3 dey on ground.
Why you dey talk like this?
Don't worry. Maybe we go drink ogogoro. Maybe we go drink ogogoro. You go calm yourself down. I can do it there now. I go around there allow women over there. Over there, tell you. Let me say they go dey affect you. No, they allow them. May they affect you. I dey tell you.
Wetin?
Have you argue am with you?
I say beg Naija.
I don't tell you. Wetin I tell you. Baba Ijebu is better. 5 naira you make 5 million. 50 naira you make 500,000. I dey tell you. I go carry you enter inside world. Wetin you know? You know aye fe gan. O ti hear.
5
Your
naira.
wife go come back in the jam for you.
That one don go.
Yes, you talk at all. I like you because I like your brain. See, we dey go out. Maybe upgrade. We go drink beer now. You understand? We are going for beer. We are going for beer. I don't like when we dey drink like this. No, we don't dey drink. You
Now
understand?
this one we don dey drink this one. I like.
You go live long.
Amen.
When you no get, you go live long.
Are you, my friend?
Don't carry any problem with you. See, you go live this one now. Make a play.
So as you want to go drink there, you have to.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
No, I don't want embarrassment.
Where we dey go? That place where we go. Now we dey everywhere for Abuja. Don't worry. Money dey everywhere. Now my phone be this. See my phone.
Me, I don't get phone.
No worry. No one. Maybe we just go. Carry me.
My friend.
You know carry am well. Leave me.
You want to?
You know go
No,
carry me.
come,
You sit down. You
just
sit
come
down.
up. Just come up. Don't worry. Come now.
You carry me.
Just come. My friend. You don't dey
Say you understand.
do best in the morning.
Yeah. Maybe we go drink. We no go drink this one. This one we go deal.
Yeah, where?
Shit. You understand?
See one.
Anything wey I tell you, we enter you.
I trust you. No.
No be this one.
Wait, take your leg for that place.
Why you dey talk like that?
Why you see how you dey wear? See how you dey wear slipper?
No dey insult me.
I know you trust me. No, dey okay.
Well, just follow me.
You don't dey.
Better friend.
No go sit down.
Make I talk.
You know they see fight for
Pay
seats.
money.
Okay.
Na me be the chairman.
Oga Kingsley.
My friend.
Na so.
My friend.
We don upgrade now.
Long
Longest time.
sir.
We have fun now.
Honorable in charge.
My friend don't do.
That level don
He don't
pass.
do this morning.
The
That's
level
so
wey we dey now.
not today.
The level wey
If
we
you
dey
say
now.
don't they just a package am.
Shima. We don't pass the level of Ogogoro.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, now no upgrade again.
And now.
That's
right. You understand?
You don't upgrade.
I tell money day. I tell you.
Money day.
You pay your wife 5 naira. You make 5 naira. 15 naira. You make 500.
Okay, Kissy, now do
Don't be smart.
About Jebu
I
sure.
tell you, me don't tell her.
But you don't show in my body of my
We
friend.
get somewhere where I will carry them for Abuja. Ah, my dama, you understand? See, my own, now that for that place, my own this thing, I all see. If I put out like this, I will shock your wife. I will tell you the truth. Don't be. Okay, me they give them. Where your madam? Where they give me go bed?
Go bed. You go like this.
Where they give me go bed?
Life.
Oh.
Madam.
Oh, you look.
Cold one, no.
Madam.
No bring them.
You get customer. Come.
Now money, all this thing I want. Say you understand. Me they pass now.
So when they come, she dey come.
Fast.
They want to be life.
Give me go bed. Give me.
Those people, they hold me money. Oh.
They hold you money.
Last time when they call, they hold me 35,000. Make they pay first.
Ah, why you talk like that? You see me like this, where are they?
Madam.
After you say I get money,
You get money, see
Sure.
no,
I go handle them.
No,
Give
no,
them.
Sure.
I go handle them.
money don't come. Oh, his wife don't go. Money don't come, and his wife don't go. Money don't come now. That your wife, you go come back, you go kneel down like this. Don't no wahala. You no get issue about Jebu. Very sure.
Hey.
You go 5 naira. Go bring 5 naira. You get 5 naira. Yes.
Shishi, I don't get.
Why you dey talk like this now? 5 naira, you go make 5 million.
I go and find.
I no go look for 5 naira for you. Now you go look for her.
Now so.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Give us up now.
I'll give you.
Bring the up now.
Which time I drink beer?
This time where I dey now.
You don't reach 5 years.
Yeah, you understand. See am. You dey go very well. Now our own.
Enjoyment man.
Always
high. Always high. That's why I like you people.
Yeah.
Always high.
Yeah.
Wait till
make I finish my own verse.
When you finish, why you dey talk like this?
Don't worry.
I'll carry you up now.
Why you dey talk like this? I go dey look at you, you go dey drink
I see
beer.
say you look at me. They watch me. This time we be dey.
Na mosquito I go dey drink
To
for
enjoy
you.
ourselves.
I go dey drink mosquito make I dey look at you before you.
This one is different.
God, I thank you.
This one is different.
Let's see this one now.
What you down?
Okay,
Just
put
the
that
way see.
They give all the access to
Yeah,
back. Correct man. Otoku. You dey give access to home, Abi.
To make money days.
This one go like
For
this.
Abuja to make money days.
This one go like
That's why they encourage everybody. Everybody when they come to Abuja.
Chairman,
They very easy.
I don't drink this now.
Come Abuja make money,
You don't
enjoy your
need
life.
to, yes.
That one no be issue. That one no be issue. Enjoy your life. Your wife no even give us glass cup.
When I marry her now.
We don't go.
When I manage jam, we be our regular customer now. I'm gonna complain again.
Chairman,
I'm gonna
Na because
complain.
of you.
Thank
Na because of you.
Thank you.
Chairman, you go better for you.
Yeah, you too. You too
Like
go
this
make
guy,
am.
make people
Chairman, welcome sir. Just enter like
Good
that.
afternoon, sir.
You big man like this, I just dey appear like a.
Honorable, good afternoon, sir.
Which one you
How I go give you?
How are you?
Oga, cash your transfer for me now. Otherwise, I go disgrace you here. Respect yourself, oh. You hear me?
Me and you na.
Pay your money, respect yourself.
I dey try now.
Wetin dey happen?
I don't pay money now.
See, I tell you, they hold me 35. I want talk. You say I'll handle it. I'll handle it. Can you handle it? Oh God, you don't start today again. Come give my money. I beg. No.
Na network I dey customer.
I know.
Madam, this one the woman dey call you. How you go talk like that?
Chairman.
The money is 42,000. They hold me last time 30,000. Today 7,000.
Calm down. I will settle you.
If I don't get money, call it.
Give me your account number.
Okay.
I will send
Okay.
you.
5940.
Wait, I will give you the money.
Have you even eat today?
You never eat anything this morning.
You did
How
not
could you
eat.
talk like that? How could you talk
You
like
did
that?
not eat today.
Yes, sir.
And you drink beer like this. You are a very big fool. You are a fool. You did not eat today. Don't worry, say that I will settle your money.
Send that money
I
now.
will settle your
If
money.
not,
I
so they
will
will not
send
leave
it
this
to
place.
You
Send
give
the
me your
money
account
now.
number.
My dear,
Give me your
give her account number. Make sure you get
account number.
So my madam is around. Let me take you to her. You've seen her. I've showed you everything, but so please be diligent with your work, madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Madam, this is Ola Milekan, the guy I told you about. He's very ready to work with us. Those other people, I didn't see them.
Very ready.
Very ready, man. I
You
can't
ready
stop
to
production.
work?
Yes,
What about you,
Madam, I don't think they are serious. They came yesterday and I gave them time, and look at what the time is now. I didn't see them. So I have to settle for another person that is ready.
Okay, no problem.
But thank you.
Just start your work immediately.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
You
man.
are welcome.
I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Yes,
You are welcome. Manager,
Ma?
how about
Should wait for us. Oh, yeah, okay, thank you, sir.
What about this?
Madam, this block, it was 500. So they've taken 300 out of it. So we are reserving the 200 for them. Although they called me the other time that we should put another 500, making it 1,000. So if they are coming now, they will come and take it. That one is 1.9. 1. So we've already worked on that one. By tomorrow morning, they will come and pick everything. You understand? Okay, you're welcome, sir.
Manager, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Sweetheart, how are you? How is work?
Fine.
How is business?
Fine. It's about better to be like
Don't mind me, Jare. As I was just coming, one of my clients called that I should meet him up. So I had to turn back and see him. How far?
Fine.
Manager,
That would be nice, sir.
I hope no problem.
No problem. Everything
Well
is in good
done,
condition.
well done, well
Manager is very fine.
Wow.
He's fine. He's
Thank
working.
you, madam.
Wow,
I'm
wow,
very
wow,
grateful.
wow. So what's up? What's going on?
Sir, I have other one, 1.9. We are coming to pick it tomorrow. As you
Okay.
can see, everything is set. I
Ah,
have arranged everything.
That's good.
This
That's
one
good.
now, they
That's
said I should add 500 to it.
Yes.
It was
Ah.
500 initially, they've taken 300.
Wow, that's good.
And we've gotten a new employee as well.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
so that production, his name is Ola.
New employee.
Yes.
Is it those two?
No, sir. Those two people, they are not serious. Okay? I'm not sure they are serious.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, manager.
Look at this.
Good morning, sir.
Like this time? Okay, look at these people. They came yesterday that I should help them with work. And I was already considering them for the work. But all of a sudden, look at the time they are coming.
Yeah, just see, we check from our junction.
Trek by this time. You are trekking. Are you sure you are serious for this work?
I don't want to talk to Mr. Manager. The chairman.
Okay, people like this. I've already taken another person that is serious. So
Madam.
I should stop production because of you people. No.
The chairman, you call us.
Manager, we
Sorry. Okay, these are the people that you told me about, right?
Yes, sir.
Gentlemen, we are sorry. Just a couple of hours ago, he employed another person. Sorry, because we are sorry.
Welcome. You are welcome.
Gentlemen, we are sorry. I thought you would get the job, but unfortunately, they have hired another person before I came, and that's it.
Mr. Chairman, how you going to talk like that?
unfortunately,
Unfortunately for waiting.
this morning.
I
you
said
call us,
it
say
because
we come collect
it's
work
this
for here.
morning.
When you call us, say you come collect work for here.
Okay, I gave them 9 a.m. Okay, this
Did
is
they tell us the
4:30.
time now?
Look at the time they are coming. 9 a.m. to 4:30. Look at the time.
How can you say
And you know how our business is, okay?
Yesterday we never see.
Gentlemen, please. If I respect you and talk to you as a normal person, you should respect yourself.
Yes, sir.
Normally, I'm not supposed to be talking to you this way, but you have the privilege that I'm around, and that's why I can. So don't abuse the privilege, please.
Mr. Kingsley, don't be you senior. You know go fit talk. Talk now.
That's what I'm telling to Oga.
Yes.
They do tell us the time. They just say we should come and start the work.
I say you should come by 9.
Let's come by 9.
Okay, is this morning?
Okay, Mr. Kingsley and what's your name again? Shola, sorry once again. There's no more vacancies.
Madam, you talk now. You don't get woman feeling.
Wait.
But take your time now.
Wait.
Mr. Laprise.
No, baby, it's okay. Wait. You see, at times when we are trying to be nice to people, they will take our being nice for foolishness.
No, it's not like that.
Come, who among you give me money to start my business?
Oh, ask them.
So why are you now forcing yourself on me? I'm saying, and so?
You can work well.
I'm saying, Abuja, and so?
Like you can
Well,
walk.
you say we should come now.
Excuse me, please.
Okay, you say you should come.
Don't let me get angry with you,
Okay,
please.
you-
Please. I've had enough of this nonsense. Let it stop.
Yes, sir. Maybe we
Let's
should
go
talk
out.
about these people.
Now you call us now.
We should go.
Get this thing out of this place. What's this?
Well,
Talk to
well,
you.
well,
Get out of here.
You have to stay silent and leave immediately. Your else I'll do otherwise.
Careful.
What's this nonsense now?
Leave, I said leave.
Careful.
If you are trying to be mean,
Careful.
leave them, then what you have to do.
What do you want me to push? Hola.
Hey.
Hey, my friend.
Baba,
Don't kill yourself, oh.
but
You see, it's thinking that is the solution.
no wahala, don't worry, we go survive.
We go survive. Thank you that you say so. Go survive. There's a solution for this. What is going on now? There is a solution.
Well, you know it's not easy.
It's not easy. But let me just tell
My
you.
brother.
Let me tell you.
Huh? What is it talk?
That's the solution now. That one is authentic. That's on ground now.
That's true.
I'm telling you.
You get solution.
That's the solution. My friend.
What did they happen?
Let's go now.
I know say you go bring
No,
solution.
why? Honestly.
I know say you go bring solution.
We go survive. We go survive by the
kẹ́ ẹ tó dé àyìn làwọn gba orúmọ létí fi hàn mí ṣùgbọ́n ẹnu onípọ̀n báyìí láti alẹ́ ẹnu oníkàn báyìí láti gbọ́ pọ̀n yọ sórí rẹ̀ àwọn farúmọ ìgbà orúmọ lè gbé ọ níbi táwa dé ní ìsìn ẹ wà dà níyàn bó ṣe yẹ ẹgbẹ̀rún kọ̀ọ̀kan àbí iye owó ẹ̀dà níyàn sówó ẹ̀sọ́ síwájú ìfà.
You get money. You get money now. Make I do my own first. If I read me,
touch your head, touch your forehead, off the way.
If I read me,
So, and I saw I go do my own. Okay.
Are you acting again?
So, see you talk before. If I what?
I'm looking for money.
Okay.
You don't make noise in front of the woman. Your name again? Your name again?
My name is Olusegun.
Wájú kan
Olusegun.
ẹ̀yin Ifá olùmúlò ọ̀mọ̀ràn ló sì àárín Ifá ọ̀tún ọ̀run bó bá ṣe wí báyìí làáhùn mi báyìí ní bàtà ké lódùfẹ́. Ọ̀wẹ́rín wẹ́rín. Èyí tó láyé ojú mi sí o. Ohun àwọn bàbá mi ẹ má jẹ ohun mi o. Òdì bìrì. You cannot see anything. I'm seeing here. Orí yẹn dà. Your name?
Kingsley.
Kingsley. Ẹ tì mí lẹ́yìn bí kankan ṣe fọwọ́ ti lé ẹ mọ́ tì mí lójú o ẹjọ́ ojú mi ṣe o kò bàjẹ́ láyé olúgbọ́n ẹ má jẹ́ torí mi bàjẹ́ o olúgbó o olú ọ̀dàn o olúulẹ̀ olú òkè Ọbàtálá o ẹjọ́ ojú mi ṣe o ẹ̀kẹta rèé o. Something deep.
Just forget.
Something do what?
Something
deep.
Baba, you say make I forget. Make I won't forget.
I go listen to me.
Listen, Baba.
No be say na no go make am o. But they don rip una.
Na you.
They don rip una.
Na you.
They don rip una. Let me see your palm.
Baba, you dey clean. My palm clean. My palm clean, sir.
Oh.
Thank you, Baba.
Now, no really plan to make am for life. But I will help you people.
Thank you, Baba.
I will help you people.
Thank you, Baba.
Oromila will support me to help you people.
Thank you, Baba.
Thank you, sir.
Thank the ancestor.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you, ancestor. I greet you.
So as the situation be now, kí n má parọ́ fún yín. Kọ́kọ́ jáde. Jẹ́ sáwó pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀. Don't worry. Jẹ́ sáwó pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ jáde. I will help you people.
Make I come out.
Come out. Excuse us, you can go far away. We'll discuss with you. No worry, wait.
If I already
Shall be well with you.
I go leave am.
I will call you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Baba, wetin come happen now? My friend just dey insult me. Baba, my friend dey insult me say, na you.
Listen very carefully.
Wetin I do?
Listen very carefully. This one is going to be secret between you and the ancestors. After me consulting the oracle here, what I see clearly, your friend is not going to make it. You are the one that will make it. It now left for you to help him if you like.
Yeah.
But we are going to use your friend for you.
Use my friend for me?
Take this. To touch your friend forehead like this. I don't want to touch my, just touch it. Forehead. For good 3 days. Every night.
I no dey for that.
How?
I no go fit.
You are here to do ritual.
Baba, I no go fit.
After 3 days, you will make millions of naira.
Baba, I no go fit. Baba.
I was joking before.
If another thing we can do that you go just
I'm just playing.
Baba,
I'm just playing. You cannot do it.
Baba, I cannot do it.
I'm just
Give
playing.
me another thing. Make I just
Another thing. Now when poverty kill you. You understand? When poverty kill you. Now help me call your friend.
Okay, make I call him.
Yes, call
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Baba Mio.
You are joking.
Thank you, Baba. Listen.
See,
Listen.
what I'm going to give you is going to be secret.
No wala, Baba.
And your friend is not destined to make money. You are the one that destined to.
I know. I will tell her. Now me they take care of him.
We are going to use him for you.
Oh, Baba, I see. I know.
You see this thing? You will make sure you use it to touch his forehead.
Forehead.
For 3 days.
For 3 days.
Anywhere, any day, anytime. Make sure you complete touching the forehead for 3 days.
For 3 days.
You can touch it by joke, by play.
By play.
Just don't touch anybody but your friend.
My friend.
He will dry and die.
We die.
He will die.
That one is small.
And he will make money.
I will make money. My friend, you take gullible. I know what to do. With one way, you know anything.
The secret to.
Thank you. I go do it. My friend is very gullible. Don't worry, I go do it. That's one thing.
You can go.
For it.
You can go.
No.
For 3 days.
Thank you.
You can go.
Thank you. I must use this thing today. Today not today, huh?
One time. I look for you everywhere. I go everywhere. I go around. I don't see you. Don't come up for your house. I don't come out. I look everywhere. I don't know. Yeah, they find your brother. Let's go. Let's go ahead.
You make money.
We make money. Nothing. I never see anything. Let's go.
That's about this one. You know what the man do?
That man, Nigeria man. Let's go.
See the struggle of life. We don't try, we don't die.
I look for you around.
I look for me.
Where I
Don't look for me.
in fact,
I go to the house, you don't take. You don't come out. You don't come out. You know they are around. You know they are around. Tima, give you some. John! Me too, I don't take out. Me too, I don't take out. I don't take out at all. I don't take out.
and you dey give me say make I put that thing on right. Why I go put down to my only friend
Like this.
I say Baba, I cannot